We remove the back cover. This is the fingerprint sensor connector. We release the screws from the top of the device. Now let's remove the metal bracket. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Here we have the antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Now we remove the screen connector. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.